Welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we forget guys Bluetooth earbud to our Samsung phone. Friends you want to forget guys your Bluetooth earbud and you can forget, and friends now let's see how to forget guys Bluetooth earbud to our Samsung phone. Friends you have connected guys any Bluetooth earbud device guys, this earbud guys same earbud you have, and friends you want to forget to your phone, so how can you forget? And if you don't want to use this earbud you can forget. So then first of all open your phone setting to forget your Bluetooth earbud. Friends click on your phone connection setting guys, tap here and you can see one device connected guys, Bluetooth setting, tap here. Friends you can see guys we have connected guys this ptron TWS Bluetooth earbud guys, right side setting option, tap here. Friends you can see this rename option. Friends you want to rename guys your device name, your Bluetooth earbud device name guys, you can rename, you can change the device name from here. Friends you can see unpair option. Friends tap here and unpair, then it will forget to your phone guys, you cannot use guys, you want to use guys you will have to connect again your Bluetooth earbud. So like that guys you can forget your Bluetooth earbud device to your phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys, we will meet on next video, bye guys.